What is good, YouTube? So I still have to post my video from pretty much Sunday's cooking. But I am actually cooking this past Sunday's video on a Tuesday. So my bad, y'all. My bad. But you guys know that I had the fashion show this past Sunday. So your girl didn't do no cooking. It was too late when I came back. It was like 8 o'clock. So yeah, I'm not eating at 8 o'clock at night. Just the way it is. And but I am doing like my I'm doing my chicken pasta, and I kind of mixed it up a little bit. So the chicken Caesar pasta. So I'm actually gonna have the chicken on the side, or I might just cut it in strips and put it on top of the pasta. But I actually threw in a little bit of garlic parmesan for the seasoning. Now chicken is already done because I am working today. You guys know it's a weekday. But I did garlic parmesan. I did roasted garlic and herb for seasoning. I did some onion powder. I did my kicking chicken, of course. Kicking chicken. What else did I do? I did some Cajun seasoning. And did I say onion? And then what else did I do? Because that's not it. I think I put the other ones up. I did New Orleans seasoning. And then I also did, where's my, what is it, garlic salt? It's either garlic salt or onion salt that I have. There it is, garlic salt. So those were my only seasonings, you guys, that I added to this recipe. So right now I'm just cooking my pasta, and pasta does have to like kind of cook by itself because your girl is working. So I'm letting that cook down, and then I will be back to kind of check on it as it does its thing. Water is already hot, so it shouldn't take that long to cook per se. And then when it is ready, I'll go ahead and I'll mix it all together and be ready to eat. Ready to eat. Cause I'm hungry. Starving. Like no tomorrow. And another thing, you guys, I forgot to tell y'all that I did finally get the third room together. It's not together now, of course, because I just got finished with the show. But as soon as I do get this cleaned back up, I will be showing you guys like the final reveal. I come to the conclusion that since I didn't show you guys like none of the real reveal anyway, I'm just gonna wait till like the overall Christmas decorations, and just do like the whole decoration walkthrough, and just show you guys it that way, because it's kind of late. It's kind of too late. Like we've been in here for like 2 whole months now. It's too late. It's going on 3. It's going on 3 whole months. August, September, October. It's going on 3 whole months now. So y'all, we just gonna go ahead and wait it out. So and see what happens. But as soon as I get this third room back together, because after this fashion show, this room looks like a tornado hit here, and I had it cleaned up so nice and so well, but it's not anymore. It's not anymore. And then I have the new outfits from the fashion show that I'm gonna get hung up. I have 2 garment racks that I'm just gonna get nice and situated in here, and then I'm gonna hang them up there. My TV is mounted like perfectly. Everything's situated in here and right where I want it to be. Other than that, I might have to move like a couple of things out, but I'm not really worried about that. There's room and space for everything in here. But yeah, that's kind of where I am, you guys. That's where I am. But yeah, so just let me know, you guys. What y'all want to see. And I still haven't thought of like what themes I'm gonna do yet. It's still brainstorming. I don't know. Like, I thought about letting TK choose the themes, but then I was like, he probably gonna have like Sonic everything up in this house. I was like, nah. But I don't know, y'all. It's still up in the air. I definitely know that this room is going to be I'm definitely gonna do my dress tree in here. I didn't get to do it last year because I was all over the place. I'm definitely gonna do it this year. Um and then I don't know what else. I don't know. I mean, that's where we're gonna go from here, you guys. So stay tuned. I'll be back with the mixing and finished product of the food. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. We are back.
Bruh.
We we are back and we are mixing our I'll be doing all types of stuff. We are mixing our Caesar dressing. I didn't even know Olive Garden had Caesar dressing. So I mean, this is new for me. With our pasta. Where the heck did I put that spoon at? Ridiculous. So because of the lettuce, you don't want the lettuce to get pretty much wilted. You have to kind of add the lettuce as you go. I don't like croutons, you guys, so I'm not adding any croutons. Parmesan cheese. I made lettuce. Pasta is centered. Then you're gonna take some lettuce. Gotta add a little bit of lettuce to that pasta. I'm gonna do a quick toss with the pasta in my finger. You just want to make sure that that pasta and the salad is getting tossed together. I really was hoping this would be a lot neater, but it's not. It's not neat. All right, and then we're gonna top it with some cheese. Parmesan. Come on. All right. This is the final result, y'all. Deliciousness. Pasta, salad, incredibly delicious. Some pasta. It's a salad. It's both.
Seriously,
Literally.
mommy.
Delicious. All right, y'all. Until next time, let me know what you guys think. When I find those bacon bits, I will add some to it, but right now it does not have bacon bits on it. I really don't know where I put them. But anyways, you guys, see ya.